What's up, YouTube fam? Happy Thanksgiving and gobble gobble. It's Akil here with another episode of Shoe Care Academy. We're gonna be cleaning up these SB Chicagos. Super excited to do these. But before we get into the video, I gotta tell you guys about our Black Friday sale that starts now. Don't sleep, this is our biggest sale of the year. Head over to Reshoevn8r.com right now, and the first 5,000 people to spend over 50 bucks is gonna receive a limited edition Reshoevn8r dust bag. So for today's cleaning video, we're gonna be doing the SB Chicago colorway. This is a super dope sneaker. I wasn't fortunate enough to hit on this when they released in the UK, but definitely fire. I think retail on them was going for like $90 and they're selling upwards of like $500–600 right now. So before we get into this cleaning video, I wanna let you guys know we're gonna have another giveaway. Stick around to the end of the video and you might have the opportunity to win a signature bundle. Let's go.
Sneaker giveaways are back. That's right, guys. For the month of November, another crazy Reshoevn8r giveaway is here. We'll be giving one lucky winner a chance at winning a pair of Grateful Dead SBs in your size. And these are valued over $1,000. All you have to do to enter, guys, is make sure you're subscribed to Reshoevn8r, which you should be if you're watching this video. Follow Mini World on Instagram, which you can find in the description below, and sign up for the newsletter. And one lucky winner has a chance at winning these Grateful Dead SBs, guys. We have one more thing to do. You gotta go to gleam.io, which is linked in the description as well, and answer the secret question. And that's it, guys. I'm Johnny Bubbles. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
All right, so for the first step of the process, we're gonna go ahead and insert our adjustable waterproof shoe tree. And for the purposes of this video, let's go with the right shoe. So you wanna make sure the shoe tree fits snug when it's inserted into the shoe. That way it's gonna help assist with the clean. And we're gonna take the left shoe and just set it right to the side here. And we're gonna grab our new drying rack bowl. Just gonna fill this up with some water. There we go. And a couple of squirts of solution. And let's get these laces removed. Now, from the looks of it, looks like somebody was skating through mud with these. So we're gonna start out with our medium all-purpose brush, and we're gonna get right into it. So for the tongue, we're gonna go ahead and move on with our soft bristle brush. That way we could break up all this dirt in here before we put it inside of the washing machine. And last but not least, we're gonna go ahead and hit the sole with our stiff brush. These are looking really good so far. Looks like Reshoevn8r is winning this challenge. So we're gonna go ahead and clean the laces up real quick and then get it ready for the laundry. I think this is one of the dopest features on the laundry bag right now. Yeah, oh yeah, the pocket is dope, dude. All right, so we're gonna pop this in the washing machine, get these rolling. Let's go. And we're back. Got these Chicago SBs looking pretty damn good thanks to our patented sneaker laundry system. There's a couple of spots I'm just gonna hit up real quick with a wet towel. A couple of stains there I just wanna go over on the sole. I don't know if you guys can see that right there, but it's a little bit of a damp towel, and then just take your finger and just wipe over it. And that's just coming right off. For the most part, looking brand new. No match for Reshoevn8r sneaker laundry system. Let's go ahead and get these bad boys laced up. Check it out. Look at that before and after. These SBs brought back to life with our Reshoevn8r signature kit. And you have an opportunity to win the signature bundle. Just comment Chicago below and make sure you put your Instagram handle. And one lucky winner is gonna get hit up via Instagram DM on November 30th. Thanks again for watching another episode of Shoe Care Academy with your boy, Akil. And don't forget, run over to Reshoevn8r.com and take advantage of our huge Black Friday sale. I hope everybody had an amazing Thanksgiving. We'll see you next time.